Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Kalapa, very nice to
Yeah.
see you. So we'll do this feedback session. So first we should ensure both of us are not having any disturbance whatsoever. Please
Yeah,
put
I'll
it
keep.
on silent. I've already done that.
Yeah, sure.
And I'll also, keep the mails away for some time.
Yeah.
So you were here since morning or you've just come in?
No, I came because since it was planned,
Okay,
but
yeah.
today is it's a very important day of the year for me.
Yeah, that's why I thought I'll let you know well in advance so
Yeah.
that you can plan accordingly, because as so in what happens outside in the market, what time you don't know. So I said
Yeah.
let me give an advanced intimation.
Yeah.
So I have gone through what you have written, and certain very good things that I see over here, that as a retail lead, the way you have actually processed both the quality and the quantity part, it's really worthy of praise. Thank you. I was very impressed with the the route plan, because in Q1 and Q2, when we were seeing that there were closures coming across from that area of north, especially in the Barrackpore side, we found that they had made a good plan. So in the mid-year feedback session, when we discussed
we
this,
got a quite good session that was, because you suggested some development plans which I worked on. I think they come out very
yeah,
nicely.
they were executed
They
well.
have resulted in
Yeah.
positive things.
Yes, because I could also see, that some of the stores out there which did some 6-7 postpaid sales, later I found they had really picked up.
Yeah.
So the plan, that is what is necessary, with a
basically
team.
what worked, because you suggested that you don't have a constructive R&R for the VMS
Right.
team, so I worked on, so that worked wonders for me. So the team has gelled together, and there was a common goal, and then they were all fighting for that R&R they wanted, and then that clicked.
Right. So another part, just now, since this has got executed so well, some few things that you can look at, some of the key stores which I can see from here, in the next quarter also, some of them are in the range of 70s, and I think they can move up, because they were in the range of 60s earlier, now they
Yes.
have moved to 70s. So you can, again, I'm sure this is, since you have
I
two VMS leads.
completely agree, though the results overall are looking extremely well, but within the stores there are some these two stores that you have suggested need to work on. Definitely the plan is in place for
Okay.
that. Yeah.
Even there were quite a few appreciations
Yeah,
from the other function heads.
yeah,
Okay. So this is one area. This is your other North 2 area, where
Yeah.
I can again see few of the changes that are required here.
Yeah.
So you can look at whether I had seen some of the competition stores coming up next to them. So
Yeah.
whether that is affecting them. So you could possibly engage these people in doing certain activities which are like a benchmarking activity when they are on their visit over there.
Okay.
So then they'll also get a feel, okay, of what is happening at their store and the store close by of the competitor.
Okay.
Alright.
Surely, because what I identified was the stores who are independent, the franchisee owned. Probably the involvement was the issue earlier. So now they have all started involving because of that R&R. They also want to involve, and post their involvement, the things have started moving positively.
Right.
They are also giving. And apart from the prepaid, post 9/11, the postpaid has picked up.
Yes.
So the difficulty levels have been the same now. So overall, that is resulting in the overall business.
Okay.
Data is a focus which I have a plan.
Exactly, that's the point.
So the
Yeah.
going forward.
Because see, the MI sale in the last 2 months, it is there, it's just there, but it's not picking up very well.
Yes.
So what
Agree
we'll
with
do, we'll quickly jot down a little bit of what we would go ahead with the next. While your postpaid is certainly the area of focus here, prepaid and the data. Okay, so maybe looking at the two North 1 and North 2
Yeah.
area, you can probably come back to me with
Yeah.
what kind of plans are there, and when you do that, you know, just don't concentrate on on the quantity part. You also see that qualitatively what are the aspects that they can also invest in.
Okay.
Okay. If and another part is, see, you had done very well with your VPS course.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the team has rated
Yeah.
me high,
Right.
and that is because of my quality of leading from the front. Team feels that I am there for them every time. So that's how.
Okay. So while we are while you continue to practice that, maybe you could also bring some succession plans for them. You know,
Yes.
how do you want them, because they would also after a certain point in time come back to question you.
Yes.
So one is your absolutely the KPI part.
Yeah.
The other would be from the quality angle,
Yeah.
and next would be from your team angle.
Yeah.
So what are the 3/4 steps that you have in action, the plan that you have in place?
Surely.
And whatever other things you feel that, you know, we were to focus here, because there was also the retail heads meeting some time back, so they have also come back with some inputs, so you can collaborate with them and check out that you know, what is required further from the area which is under you right now.
Yeah.
Okay. And a little bit on your developmental aspects, your
Yeah.
aspirations. So,
Yeah.
what is it that you feel?
So having spent almost 18 months now as a retail lead and successfully completing this year, so I'm looking out to get promoted to either a circle retail head or a ZBM role. I think I have those qualities to lead the team. So that's my aspiration.
Very good, and in fact over there you see that when you look at a circle retail head kind of a role, you
Yeah.
know, this person, if I look at, okay, this role and what this person needs to concentrate upon, so there are various angles to it. So one is obviously the connections that he is looking into, the sale that he's bringing in, the handset part, you know, there's a lot of this entire as you know is being, all the stores, mini stores, they are all led by our associate staff. Basically they are the people out there. So a lot on the manpower part, then
Yeah.
on the infra bit, you know, time to
Yeah.
time, you know, how many changes of stores we did from non-roto to roto.
Yeah.
So in, you know, you have to have that overall view.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to you must observe, you must also see that, okay, what are the things which possibly you are not into right now,
Yeah.
but when you are aspiring to go to a retail
Yeah.
head's role,
Yeah.
what are the other aspects that you need to concentrate upon, what are
Yeah.
the things that you have to you know, build as skill,
Yeah.
you know, as behavioral, and
Yeah.
maybe the other parts of imbibing those techniques.
Okay.
So
Surely.
that is one. And for ZBM, yes, I will be able to guide you, because I know what are the things that we have
Yeah.
been looking into, because as a ZBM, it's not enough to just look at the sales part of a store. It's also important we have the R&R team out here,
Yeah.
how they are dealing with premium customers. Then I also have the enterprise
Yeah.
set of people. So it's like a mini, you know, organization sitting here. So I would suggest that you also mingle around with these teams, learn
Yeah.
from them that what are they looking into. Then you would get that overview,
Yeah.
and you would know, okay, these are the activities that they are into. So Kalappa, how do you think the session went for you? Was it helpful?
No, this was a very good session. I'm very much happy with the way you gave the feedback, and it is not for the first time that you are giving me the feedback. Like time and again, you have been adding the value throughout the year. So this session was very good, and I'm very happy with this feedback session.
Okay. Thank you, Kalappa, so much. And I would also say that was made possible because you had put in a good amount of facts and figures on which
Yeah.
we could discuss, talk on.
Yeah.
And any support that you need from my side, which you feel that, okay, Anindita, if these are things that you do from here, it will help me.
Yeah, I require some of the supports in terms of getting the replacements in time,
Okay.
in terms of the VMS CCs and all.
Okay.
So I think that's enough for me. I'll do the rest of the things. I'll execute it.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kalappa.